What I'm going to do today is show you how to reconvert data into a new version of PowerChurch. In this scenario, I've installed version 11, upgraded from version 10. Somebody else in the office didn't know I had done that and kept working in version 10. We don't want to lose that information that they have entered, and luckily haven't done anything else in version 11. So what we're going to do is to just close out of the program here. Back on the desktop, you'll have the shortcut for the new version. Just right click on that and choose Properties. That's going to take us to this screen here in Windows showing us the properties of the shortcut, and what we're looking for is the Find Target button. This is older Windows version. It's called Find Target. In newer versions it's Open File Location. Either way, we'll click that and it takes us into the directory where PowerChurch is installed. And what we're looking for here is the data folder. And again, I have to reiterate, this is going to completely empty out version 11 so that we can start back fresh with newly converted data from version 10. So I'm just going to click the right mouse button on the data folder and choose Delete. And it does send it to the recycle bin. So if we need to get that back at a later time, we can just go back into the recycle bin, and until that's emptied, till somebody empties the recycle bin, we'll be here if we need to get it back, if you change your mind. But I'm going to go ahead and close out of all of this. The next time we start up the version 11, it's going to act like a brand new installation here. And so you're prompted if you want to upgrade from a prior version. I'm going to choose yes. And by default, what happens here is it searches the computer looking for newer versions, or I'm sorry, older versions of the program to convert from. But since I know exactly where we're going, we've got a pretty simple setup here. I'm going to point directly to this version 10 directory and select that and verify that that is, again, what I've done here, and click Finish, and it gets started converting everything over. And I should point out, we're not actually making any changes to the version 10 data here. We're just going into the data files and copying everything out from the prior version and bringing it over into version 11. So this should finish up here in a moment, and when that's done, you can go back into version 11 and you'll see it's got your registration information and the church name there. And we go and take a look, and there's the information that we just converted in from version 10.